Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make salted caramel and white chocolate profiteroles. Let's begin. Go ahead and grab yourself a large saucepan and into it place your butter, your water and a pinch of salt. You can then place that on the hob over a medium-high heat and allow it to come to a boil. So once it reaches a boil, you can then take it off the heat and add in all of your flour and just stir that in until the flour is fully incorporated. Then return it to the heat and keep stirring until there is no trace of the flour. You'll know once it's ready as there'll be a trace or a coating on the bottom of the saucepan, and this is a good sign, this is what you're looking for. Once you see that, you can take it off the heat and place it straight into your mixing bowl. I'm using my stand mixer, but feel free to use what you've got. Mix it on a high speed until it's cool enough for you to touch the bottom of your bowl. Once it's at that stage, you can then start to add your eggs, one at a time, beating well in between each addition. It should take between 3 and 5 seconds for it to fall from the beater. That's when you know it's ready. You can then give the bowl a good scraping down. This is just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. Transfer the choux pastry into piping bags. You don't have to fit a nozzle as you can just snip it off, but if you want to use a nozzle, feel free to. You'll then want to get yourself a lined baking tray, and onto it you'll want to pipe your blobs out. They're rounds and they're pretty big as they do poof up when they're baking, and you'll want to get around 12 on a tray, being careful not to overload the tray as they'll bake together. Once you've done that, you can get rid of the peaks on top of each one by wetting your finger with some water and just pressing it down a little bit. Once you've done that, you can then start to egg wash them all. This just helps them get a golden brown colour once baked. You can then place these into your preheated oven and bake. All that information will be in the blog post down below. So to make the cream filling, you'll just want to get yourself a mixing bowl, and into the mixing bowl place your double cream along with some icing sugar and vanilla extract, and whisk it all together on a medium-high speed until it starts to hold its shape. You want it to be stiff peaks, being careful not to over whisk it, otherwise the mixture will become granular. So once your choux pastry is baked and you've got your cream and salted caramel in piping bags, you can then start to fill them with some cream, some salted caramel sauce, then more cream, and repeat this for all of them. Then start to dip them in some melted white chocolate spread, and then you can present it however you like on one plate, but I prefer to stack mine up into a tower, but again it's completely up to you. So thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again in a couple of days time with another video, so join me then. Don't forget to check out the description of the video as it will have all the links you need for my blog, my social medias and everything else. In the meanwhile, that's all for today. Bye guys.